Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new tool deals at Home Depot and Amazon to share with you. The Home Depot deals, we have special buys of the day, we have special buys of the week. We'll use the YouTube shopping links. You'll see boxes popping up here, there, and everywhere starting here in about 13 seconds. And then the Amazon deals will all be linked down below. So starting out with the Ryobi 1 plus 18 volt 6 tool combo kit, 1.5 amp hour battery, 4 amp hour battery, and a drill bit set. Normally $319 down to $213.97. Again, special buy of the day, which by the way, you can go to this link right here on any of these special buys of the day to see the full list, because there was a ton of stuff included today. You get one little baby battery we're not a huge fan of, but we do get the big 4 amp hour that we can throw on that reciprocating saw or circular saw. So not for everyone if you're already in a lineup that's got a bunch of tools, but a pretty good price if you're trying to expand, or maybe an amazing gift for someone who you don't want borrowing your tools anymore. Rigid 18 volt 8 tool combo kit. This one also is going to come with a 2 and a 4 amp hour, so we get a baby and a big boy. $5.99 originally, down to $3.99, but this is a really good selection of tools here. Quite the array, if you will. The 2 and the 4, one on the charger while we're using one. $3.99. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Gen 2 Mid Torque 3/8" impact wrench friction ring with a 5 amp hour battery and a socket set. Normally $529 down to $249. So it's pretty typical to be able to get this impact for about $199 or so. But we're throwing in the big impact sockets going all the way up to 1 inch on that SAE set. Looks like it goes down to 5/16, and then the 5 amp hour battery, which is pretty nice to pair with it. I like that 5 amp hour battery. It's that middle porridge that really works for most tools without adding too much weight or bulkiness to it. Getting the fuel impact, socket set battery, $249. I like that one. You got the M12 Fuel brushless, cordless, 4-in-1 installation driver, 3/8 driver kit, 3 amp hour battery, 2-pack. Normally $319 down to $179. Another tool that we can typically get around $199, not even counting these extra batteries, but you're getting the full kit with the charger. You're getting the original battery that is a 2 amp hour battery. You're actually getting 2 of those. Wow, look at that. You're getting 4 total batteries. I thought that was a 1 battery kit. That is a 2 battery kit. So 2 amp hour batteries, 2 3 amp hour batteries, and your installation driver with your interchangeable heads, getting your offset, your right angle, and everything. Normally $319, $179. That's a really good deal with all them batteries at $179. Milwaukee M18 Fuel brushless, cordless hacksaw, 5 amp hour battery, normally $308 down to $179. This is getting to be a bit of an oldie, but it still is a fuel tool. Getting the 5 amp hour to go with it. Now, the hacksaw is included in a ton of free battery promotions, but I do like, again, that 5 amp hour battery, so we're glad that we picked that to go with it. Get the Milwaukee M12 brushless, cordless 3/8" ratchet. This is a tool-only deal, normally $199 down to $139. So if we look, let's see. 55 pounds of torque on this one, 200 RPM. It is the fuel version, so it's upgraded over that OG one that's been around for like 10 years. Just for funsies. You can also get the half-inch drive for the same price if you prefer half-inch. And there was a ton of different ratchet deals in the special buy of the day. So again, if you go to that link, there was a lot of them. If you're just looking for a ratchet, maybe not this ratchet, or if you're looking for something to go with it, definitely look through that list. Milwaukee M18 Fuel brushless, cordless compact router with an impact driver, normally $339 down to $179. So impact drivers, the prices are all over the place because they're included in so many promotions and there's so many available, but the router is typically about a $199 tool. That's kind of like the standard for a lot of fuel tools, real close to the $199 mark. So getting it for $179 and getting the impact driver, it's a fuel impact driver. Maybe even if you already have one, the fuel is going to be an updated version, an upgrade for you, and saving a little bit on the router as well. Rigid 18 volt cordless 4-mode half-inch drive high torque impact wrench. You're getting 2 4 amp hour batteries and a charger to go with it. Normally $557 down to $199. 2 batteries with your rigid. Let's see. High torque, where does it say the torque? 1,300 foot-pounds breakaway torque. A big-ass tractor tire. Milwaukee M18 fuel, brushless, cordless, 4.5-inch grinder, paddle switch, and a 5 amp hour battery. Normally 358 down to 189. People tend to like the paddle switch over the slide switch style, so you are getting that. You're getting the fuel to go with it. And then again, the 5 amp hour battery, which is included in tons of promotions. Fuel tool, brushless motor, paddle switch. You got the M12 Rover service and repair floodlight with a 1.5 amp hour battery. Plus, you're getting the rechargeable neck light, normally $249 down to $119. So the lights we can get pretty cheap, even especially if you look third party, Amazon, eBay, and stuff. The LED stuff it's a little overpriced, but if you want something that goes with the battery platform, then you don't have a ton of options. So we are getting the 1.5 amp hour battery with the light, but I really like the neck lights with the red lithium battery. Hands-free lighting, working on a car or something, leaning over the hood, and headlamp or neck lamp, whatever way you want to go, is really beneficial to be hands-free, have both hands available for doing whatever works. So 119, 2 LED lights, getting into 2 different platforms there. Now here we have the DeWalt 2.5 gallon, 140 PSI portable, 20 volt cordless air compressor with Flex Volt Advantage. 50-foot hose is coming with it, normally $248 down to $169. So I have this air compressor, and I kind of like it, and I kind of don't. The problem is, it's not hybrid. You have to use Flex Volt batteries, and it eats through them super quick. So it's nice not being tethered to the cord, being able to go out somewhere with just running off battery, but it eats batteries quickly. You better have a small fortune in Flex Volt batteries if you want to run this for any substantial length of time. But we're also getting the air hose to go with it, so that sweetens the pot a little bit. Just make sure you got those Flex Volt batteries. $169. Now, when I bought mine, I bought it as a kit that came with, now I don't remember, 1 or 2 Flex Volt batteries. But I think I paid $369 as a kit a couple of years ago. So if you already got the batteries, it's a good deal for you. Here we have the M12 Fuel 3/8-inch drive stubby brushless impact wrench coming with 2 3 amp hour batteries. Really good one here. Normally $319 down to $169, but you're getting 2 3 amp hours with the fuel impact 3/8-inch drive. $550 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. Milwaukee Colored Fine Point Inksol markers, black fine point markers. It's only going to be $697. Now, it's not listed as a sale price or anything, but it definitely is. You're getting a 2-pack here. If you go out and price just any regular-ass permanent markers, you're going to pay more than this for it. And I kind of like the Milwaukee ones. You know, it's funny. I bought something. I don't know if it's funny, but I'm going to tell you a quick story. Acme Tools, I had purchased something, and they threw in a couple of markers. I don't know if it was intentional because they weren't even in the package. It was just a couple of Milwaukee loose markers laying around in the box when I bought something. So I've had a couple of these markers. I actually really like them. They're pretty good. DeWalt FlexVolt 6 amp hour battery pack, getting the full kit, and then we also get, well, this comes as a free item if we buy something else. So you're getting the FlexVolt battery, the DCB 1106 charger, that's a 6 amp output, that's the newer charger, the 2-stage, so we get a quick charge on 80% of it, trickle charge on the 20%. Now if we go to shop this offer, that one sold out. But if we get any of these tools or this battery, which the battery is not your best value, so I wouldn't do that. But if we get any of those tools, you're going to get this starter kit for free. So you have a couple of FlexVolt tool options. And you can see the value of the starter kit here, $249. So it's a pretty good savings if you're going to be buying one of those FlexVolt tools. So that is it for the Home Depot deals. We're going to move on to the Amazon deals. So you saw all the Home Depot product boxes popping up throughout. Now, Amazon's will all be linked down below. Give me 1 second to pull those up and continue on. All right, for the Amazon deal, starting out with the DeWalt 1/4-inch thick grinding wheel with 4.5-inch diameter here, down to just $165 on Amazon. No promo code or coupon, just a sale price. And if we look, it's $548 at Lowe's. You're not even going to get free shipping there. And then Zorro is $3.99, so you're adding shipping to both of those. But Amazon Prime members get the free shipping. You're only paying $1.65, so you can stock up if you're going through grinding wheels kind of a lot. That'd be a price to do it at. Now, next we have the Amazon Basics 3-piece quick release groove joint plier set. 7, 10, and 12 inches. This is a set that I picked up myself. Wanted to compare them to the Knipex Cobras. I think that's what Knipex. It's the Cobras that look like this, right? $14.38 3-pack. You're only paying what, $4 a piece, $3 a piece, something like that. So really good deal. We also have a 10% coupon on in addition to the $14.38 there. So save a little bit more on them. Hard to beat that on a pair of pliers. And I like the push button ones a lot better than the old school groove joint, because these really aren't a groove joint anymore. I don't know. Have you seen the amazing warehouse deal? So right here in the menu bar, there's the warehouse deals. We haven't broken down by category. You can look at all items that are at least 60% off on the Amazon warehouse deals, or even this one, 90% off the warehouse deals. So warehouse deals are items that were returned for one reason or another. Sometimes the packaging was damaged. Sometimes people just don't know what they buy and they return things. Now, Amazon's supposed to check them out to make sure they're good, but sometimes things slip through the cracks. Of course, you can always return things if you get anything that isn't what you expect. But then there's other things that are super safe. Like if you want to buy a wrench set and you see that it's 90% off, odds are the wrenches are fine. Electronics I'd be a little bit more worried about, but if you want a pry bar, a hammer, things like that, people don't mess those up. You can get a really good deal. Like some of these are 90% off. So make sure to check out the warehouse deals. See what amazing deals you can find over there. Next up, we got the Bosch 10-piece T-shank jigsaw blade set. Got a combination of metal and wood cutting blades to go there for you. $7.79. If we look at Lowe's, twice the price, $14.98, and Ace Hardware, $16.99. Next up, DeWalt wire wheel stringer bead 4-incher. Look at that guy, $7.40. Look at Tool Nut, $11.19. Acme Tools, $12.99. Of course, you got to add shipping to each of those. Now, I believe this one was limited stock. It's going to sell out that stock that's available. And the thing is, once it gets to that point, either the price is going to go up because it's going to be a different seller, or sometimes it's just delayed shipping. So instead of getting your Prime 2-day shipping or whatever, it'll say ships in like 3 to 4 weeks, or it gives you some kind of date in the future. We won't know until we get to that point, but it is limited stock, so some of you are going to see this and be disappointed. Mini chainsaw for DeWalt batteries, 20-volt max, cordless pruning chainsaw by Orblin, 40% off. I love these DeWalt compatible tools. You can get really good prices. And sometimes, not in this instance, but in some instances, DeWalt doesn't even make a version, like maybe the soldering iron or something. And it's the only way you can get it and stay in the battery platform. Again, you're not getting the battery with this. It is tool only. Starts out at $69.99, but we have a 40% promo code that goes through the 10th and a $20 coupon. So super cheap. Little pruning saw. So these are pretty nice to have. You got a dash cam, 4K Ultra HD front dash camera. Built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, app-controlled, night vision, wide angle, 24-hour parking mode, 64-gigabyte card included by Estbuck. 50% off. I like these small ones. You get ones with too big of a screen, I feel like it's distracting, so I kind of like this guy. And I like that it's app-controlled. We can view it on the app, adjust the angle or whatever, and we're all ready to go. $67.77, but this one is 50% off, so about $35. Supposed to go through the end of the month. We'll see if it lasts that long. You guys know codes get killed early all the time. Killed early for any reason at any time. So you buy now, you don't wait till later. handheld arc stick welder, 140 amp, lightweight, portable inverter, handheld welder gun, capable. DC stick Zojon, 50% off. Look at that guy right there. $69.99, but a 50% promo code. So you're only going to pay $34.99. The code does work for multiple quantities if you need more than one. Hard to beat that price. Got a magnifying glass with light, 10x and 5x lighted magnifying glass, stepless dimmer by Nakus, 50% off. So I like it's got the bench clamp style and really help us with the old eyes that can't see anything anymore. Do some of that fine detail work. $35.99, but 50% off. You're going to be under $20 for that guy. Super helpful to have around. Got the Loppers tree trim and garden shears set, heavy duty branch cutters. This is by Yead Dragon Horse, one of my favorite Chinese brand names. I don't know about the Yead part, but a Dragon Horse sounds kind of badass. I like it. 40% off. It's a 2-pack. Got the loppers, got the little pruners. Getting that yard work done for the fall. $23.99, 40% off. Can you believe it's August already? Where does time go? Not sure when it expires, but it's good right now. 40% off. Starting out at $23.99. Got a 20-pack of the bungee straps. I'd call them bungee cords, but whatever you want to do. 160% max stretch. Boy, I got some of that too. 20 millimeter wider bungee strap. This is by Vavor with the S hooks. 50% off. Got a couple of different lengths there. You pick your size, don't you wish? $26.99. 50% off. Only going to be $13.50. Supposed to go through the 8th. Never have enough bungee cords. Load. What are we doing? Come on. What's going on here? Drag together. What are we doing here? Let's try refreshing. Hold on a second. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, so we're looking at the deal catalog page right here. And of course, since I had to refresh, it messed up what I had going on. But let me just show you. This updates every single day with new deals. I went to the patio, lawn, and garden section, and here it is right here. But then we went over to the filters, turning off the lightnings, turning off the price drops, turning off the coupons. I only want to see promo code deals. Now, we could change the minimum discount if we want. We're just going to hit apply right there. Boom, look at that. Solar-powered bug zapper. Love that. Don't got to plug it into a wall or anything. Hang it up on a fence post or a deck or put it wherever you want, but get them mosquitoes. Little bastards. And let me tell you a secret to clean this thing, because this guy get cleaned. When I would run my bug zapper out here, overnight it would be so full that you couldn't see the light anymore. It would be completely packed. You get your blower, get your leaf blower, give it a blow. A nice strong blow cleans it up. Now, one further pro tip. Do not be downwind of the leaf blower, because otherwise you got dead mosquitoes raining on you. It's like a thunderstorm of dead bugs. Ask me how I know. But this one's 50% off. You just click right here. That'll apply the promo code to your account. And then you click right here to open up the Amazon page. You save 50%. So make sure you're checking that out. Updates every day. Lots of amazing deals. More than I could manually post here on the website. So there it is, guys. All the latest Home Depot and Amazon amazing new deals. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe for a new subscriber. I'll see you next time.